are working on PowerPoint multi-project 1. We're on the second project called networking. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and go to slide 2 and apply this bevel perspective left onto this picture. So we'll go ahead and select that. Because we've selected that picture, at the top we have a Pictures Tools format. Go ahead and click that. And then in the Picture Styles group, we actually have this drop-down box here. And it tells us to look for the bevel perspective left white style. So I believe it's this one. If you're not sure, make sure you hover over the item to make sure you're selecting the right thing. And so this is the correct style that we want to go ahead and apply to that picture. Go ahead and click Mark Completed. On slide 3, it tells us that we want to change the video playback to start automatically when the slide loads and redisplay the title screen after the screen or the playback is finished. So we'll go ahead and select our photo to get the special tabs at the top, and we're going to go to playback, and it says that it wants it to start automatically. So right here it's set for on click, but we're going to select automatically. And then the other thing is to display the title screen. That's going to be rewind after playing. Mark completed. It says that we're going to apply style 9 to the networking chart on slide 4. So we'll go to slide 4, and it's this one. If you're not sure, it's the IEEE. And it says that we're going to apply style 9. So we're actually going to go to the display tab at the top. Because we have this selected, we have this up at the top. And these are your styles. And that's style 7. This one's style 9. We'll go ahead and click that. Again, I hovered to find out which style was which. Click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to modify the design of table 5. So let's go ahead and find that. We're on slide 5. We'll go ahead and select our table, and it's going to have us put that. So we'll go ahead and do design here. And it's a light style 3. So this is key right here, light. There we go, light style 3 accent. It's actually accent 6. There we go. We'll click Mark Completed. And then it's going to have us change the colors on the graphic on slide 6. So we'll go ahead and select this Smart Art. And we're going to go to the Design tab, Colors. And you got to scroll up for this one. And it's Colorful Range, Accent Colors 5 to 6. We'll click Mark Completed.